To my future employer. Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Monica Balatero. I am 30 years old, single from Manila, Bulacan, Philippines. I am the eldest among four siblings. This is my first time to work abroad, Ma'am and Sir, but I have almost 7 years work experience here in Philippines as a helper. I served one couple family with two kids. One is 11 years old and 2 months old baby. My duties and responsibilities is doing the house chores like cooking, cleaning, gardening, washing clothes, ironing clothes, marketing, especially taking good care of children. If you hire me, mom and sir, I will learn everything and I will promise to do my very best to serve your family and obey your house rules and regulations. Thank you, mom and sir.